So, okay, so I'm gonna start. I don't know what I'm doing. Ugh, I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, so I am back with another natural hair video. This is brought to you by HerGivenHair, and they sent me over these clip-in extensions. Never work with clip-ins, you guys. Like, this is literally my first time, especially with it being natural. I'm just going to briefly show you the clip-ins that I have. I have two bundles. One bundle is a 16-inch and the other is an 18-inch. Each bundle comes with 6 pieces. So you have one weft that has 5 clips, 2 wefts that have 4 clips, and then 3 wefts that have 3 clips. So looking at this hair right now, it is a very kinky, curly texture, and the luster is very low, so it really mimics 4C 4B type hair, and my hair is 4C, so I figured this would be perfect to do a little tutorial for you guys. So first, before I want to install these clip-ins, I decided to do a really good wash. And at first I was gonna do a co-wash, but I said, I don't know where this hair been really, so let's just shampoo and condition it. So the products I'm using is by AUSSIE Moist. Love it for my natural hair. This is what I use to wash on my hair, so I'm going to use it to cleanse and condition the clip-ins. Very simple, you guys. I'm just washing about maybe 3 clips at a time, and I'm going in with my conditioner, and then once the conditioner is worked in, I'm going to go in and kind of finger detangle a little bit, and you will get some shedding, but once you do that for each, you know, set of hair clips, you can see how defined those curls are. Oh my god, this hair mimics my hair so well. Like, it really does. So make sure that you treat this as if it's your own hair itself. This hair mimics natural hair to the T. It's crazy. You can see how much of hair was like shedding. Like, this stuff really sheds too, so do not be surprised if your clip-in shed, because it's very kinky, very tight. I can't really remember if I put product on this hair or not, but I did let the clip-ins air dry, and they didn't take that long to air dry. So once that's complete, y'all go ahead and just stay tuned, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't know. I don't even know what I'm about to do. I don't even know what style I'm gonna do, but let's just do it. I did twist my hair, and I'm just gonna take some oil on my fingertips and unravel my twist. Alright, so twists are out. I got sent 2 bundles of hair from HerGivenHair. I don't know what I'm doing. Ugh, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm approaching my 2-year anniversary that I big chopped my hair, and this is my first time actually using clip-ins, so I'm kind of excited. I do have an okay length. I'm not gonna say my length is short, my length obviously long, but I have an okay length so I can do some styles. But like I said, I've never had any clip-ins. So all right, fast forward, y'all. So this first style, I'm thinking I want to do like a half up, half down style. So I'm going to go in with the 5 clip, and I'm going to just clip that in, and I'm going to continue to pretty much do the same thing once I get to the top. I don't know, you guys. I am really winging this. Like, I don't even know if this is a complete success. Like, I think I failed, but whatever. I just want to show you guys my experience with the clip-ins. 2 clip-ins in. Okay. I'm going to take the 3 clips. I'm still working with the 18-inch. I'm still working with 1 bundle right now, y'all. Look at that. This look like my hair. That's crazy. The parts are not perfect, y'all. Don't be back there trying to make perfect parts for this, okay? Tell me this is not my hair. Can't nobody tell me shit. This is my hair. Okay. Here is my hair. I'm going to just pull it over like that. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty much where it kind of takes a turn. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I can't even justify this shit right here, but okay, guys, listen. So I like to section off the hair in the front because I don't like to mold my edges down right away, because I ain't got no edges in some places, so I be having to do extra work. Okay, so I part away that hair in the front. That's not going to be all baby hairs, but it's just my way of being able to sculpt the front of my hair how I want it to. So I'm going to work on my baby hairs last. So right now I'm going with that 16-inch bundle, and I'm going to wrap that around my ponytail, and then after I do that, I'm going to pin it and then tie my hair down. Okay, so after I tie my hair down for a little bit, I'm gonna go back in with some edge control. Now this is before I found my favorite edge control, y'all, right now, but I'm just taking a toothbrush and just trying to swoop. I'm just not good with baby hairs. Like, it's proven I'm not the best. So I'm just gonna brush up section by section and smooth it out. Then I'm gonna tie my hair down for a little bit. And that's pretty much the finished look for this little top knots. This hair blends in so good with my natural hair, you guys. I didn't really have to do much, like, at all. But I did go ahead and try to do another style with these clipping. I can't stop laughing, y'all. It just did not work out for your girl. Like, you guys can totally see where my curls start and stop. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the fail portion of this video, but other than that, the clip-ins are amazingly blendable with your natural hair. So if you are a 4C or you're a 3A, HerGivenHair have hair clip-ins for pretty much every hair texture. So check that out. Don't forget to leave me some comments below. Tell me what you think. And HerGivenHair is having a Black Friday sale, so this is a good time for you to purchase you some clip-ins, girl. I'll see you guys in the next one.